The spectacular 1972 Alfa Romeo GTV, body by Bertone, with full restoration, absolutely beautiful, high quality paint, wonderful trim, beautiful Chromadoro wheels, fabulous interior, Nardi steering wheel. But what's really exciting about this is the engine, which we are going to look at right now, because it is a modern 3-liter 190 horsepower Alfa Romeo V6, professionally installed by an Alpha Mark specialist, and really an exciting car to drive and to own. The Alfa Romeo fires up. Ah, it's great. V6 tachometer. Yeah. Cascade is working. Water temp is working. Put it in first gear and release the e-brake. Oh wait, how about the wipers? The wipers are working. Gonna annoy the neighbors too much, but love that Italian horn. Wow, this is great. Got a 5-speed transmission. The interior on this Alfa GTV is just spectacular. Look how pretty that is. Beautifully done. Wheel, excellent gauges and faces. Just tremendous. Wow. Here's another look at that 3-liter V6 Alfa Romeo engine. It's both beautiful and completely rebuilt with receipts to prove it. Every single thing has been done on that engine within the last 4 years. One more walk around of the 72 Alfa GTV 2000, and it is just beautifully done. This car has had the best work, the best of care, and California since new, so it's nice and solid and rust-free underneath. It's a great car.